How to make collage on Instagram story. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make collage on Instagram story. To create a collage on Instagram story, you can use either the layout feature or the sticker method. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will find the profile at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once doing that, now you will be asked to choose the photos from your gallery. If you want to take instant pictures, you can tap on this camera option at the left side. If not, you can select the pictures from this page. To select multiple pictures, you will need to tap on the select button right here next to recents. And now you can select the pictures as much as you'd like to add to your collage. Once you have selected them, now tap on this next button at the bottom right. Once you tap on it, here at the bottom you will be able to see two different options, either layout or separate. Tap on this layout preview or the sample at the left side, and by doing so, here you will be able to see the collage. If you want to add more pictures to this, you can tap on the smiley icon at the top, and then from here, you can select this photo option. Once selected, you will be able to select a new picture from your gallery. Once selected, you can tap on it to resize or change its shape. Once you are done, you can now tap on this Your Stories at the bottom left or tap on this arrow at the bottom right. Once you tap on one of these, you will be able to see you have successfully made a collage on your Instagram story. Once after your story gets published, you can tap on it to open it. And there you'll be able to see you have successfully created collage on your Instagram story. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.